This is how to clear YouTube watch history on iPhone, right? Through the YouTube app. First, tap on your YouTube application. As the app opens, tap on your profile, which in this case is at the bottom right. Then you will see the history section. Tap on view all. Now you can see the all tab or button is selected. The next step is to tap on the three dots at the top. When you tap on the three dots, you'll be provided with some options including pause watch history, clear all watch history, and manage all history. Alright, our interest is to clear all watch history, so tap on that. Then it will show your email address with some information. Alright, so tap on clear watch history. So with this, my watch history on this device has been cleared.